welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking Thai dessert sticky rice with mango. Are you ready? Let's go! Now is the season mango, and everywhere in Thailand mango is grow. You see, in my garden I have 10 tree, mango tree. Can see? Okay guys, I show you my garden. I show you little mango. This is my garden tree. You can see mango, and my family make charcoal. You want to see? My butter, he make charcoal for me for make cooking every day. You see?
Okay, let's make sticky rice.
And I want to show you. Today I make a sticky rice with mango. After I can make just food with sticky rice. You see. It's my garden. I really like just food, and my husband too. Okay, sticky rice is very easy. I show you. Today I have coconut milk, salt, sugar, sticky rice, and mango. Okay. Oh my god. Now I want to put the sticky rice in the basket. Before I put the sticky rice in the water, I wait for 1 hour, and now okay, I put in the fire. I put water inside, not too much, but I show you. Okay, I have to wait, and I close and wait 20 minutes or 25 minutes. I don't sure. I see you after 20 minutes. Thai style. Wow!
Oh.
Thai style. I think 5 minutes is okay. I make a coconut milk. I have to try 500 milliliters, and I put salt, 1 spoon, sugar. I mix everything. I make everything easier, but some people put coconut milk in the fire and they mix everything in the fire a little bit, not too much. But for me, I think it's okay. I tasting. I want to put salt. Is one more spoon. Sticky rice, I think it's with coconut milk. I think it's a little bit salty and sweet, and on tasting coconut milk, everything mix is very good. You can find everything in the garden. Okay, now sticky rice is enough. Too much. Slowly put coconut milk. Slowly. สวยอย่างไรน่ากินอ่ะvery good smell oh I want to eat now I want to eat beautiful เนอะ wow and very very good I want to eat sticky rice the best
Is what?
is best
Bet.
is the best
I like bet.
best
Best.
best the best
Uh,
อึบอึบโอเคไหมโอเค time for eating I very excited โอ้ delicious mango is very sweet very good if you come to Thailand I hope you try it if you watch my channel you have to try to make sticky rice with mango I am sure you like sticky rice with mango it's very very good okay okay today I really happy to make a sticky rice with mango and thank you very much you are watching my channel and subscribe and like and share and thank you you help me everything thank you very much ขอบคุณค่ะ see you next video bye bye tomorrow they make a fire in the อะไรก็ไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษ
on the ground.
เออ
Say
in
it.
ground เหรอ in ground
I say ground. Ground.
ground I don't want my husband eat sticky rice you know because he fat
No.